All right, folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's Office of Gardener Realtors. It's a steamy, humid day in New Orleans, and we've got an extraordinary new construction home to show y'all. So this is a Camelback, as you can see. It is gorgeous. I just got finished walking through for my first time, and I'm very impressed. It's 252 Belleville Street, offered at $539,000. We're in Algiers Point, with a total square footage of 2,300, but 2,650 if you include these great porches. You'll see we've got them on the back too. These great windows and front siding. It's gorgeous. You would think this was a historic home, just the attention to detail and quality of this new construction. So we've got, I would call this a 3.5 bedroom, because you've got this flex space I'm about to show you to the right. I almost think you'd call this a parlor, but if you needed it to be a 4th bedroom, it very easily could be that. It's got these wonderful front-facing windows, great high ceilings throughout. Some of the lights aren't working because we're still on a temporary power pole, but I couldn't wait to get y'all in here for a tour. Here is the master bedroom. It's on the 1st floor. This room feels huge. These great antique heart pine wood floors. Here is our master bathroom. Fully decked out. Look at that huge soaking tub, walk-in shower with a seat. Really the best of both worlds. There are 2 closets off your master bedroom. So here is a smaller closet, maybe a coat closet for your dress shirts. And then in here, you've got a mega decked out closet. And this is actually the attic stair to one of the 2 attics. Both of them have attic stair pull downs. Make it so y'all can see up here, super clean. It's easy to judge a new construction by its cover, but when you can actually go up there and look at the quality of work in the attic, it's very informative. So that was our 1st floor master suite. I like having the master on the 1st floor. I think it makes more sense than having to walk up the stairs every night. Here is a half bath downstairs, so when you're entertaining, people don't have to come into your master suite. And now, here's the showstopper, the living, dining, kitchen. I love the color scheme throughout. It's this gray that almost has a green to it, along with that white and a gray on the walls. It's very sophisticated and smart. You've got nice high-end appliances. Love the countertops. And the finishes are just out of this world. I like this as well for the stair. And then those coffered ceilings. Truly a magnificent new construction. They do not make them like this often. And then through here, we've just got some storage, your Harry Potter storage room. And then I'll take you outside to the backyard. You can see right there is the levee. So as close to the Algiers point of Algiers as we could be. Just a quick walk over to the levee where you can look at the mighty Mississippi. I don't know if I showed you this. This is a pantry. Let's go upstairs. Upstairs, you've got 2 beds and another bath. We've also got our laundry center right here. Look at these views from up here. You can even see the Mississippi from up here. Maybe I'll zoom in on the video. And here are your laundry hookups. Again, this banister has a great effect. It's very sophisticated looking. And in here, you actually have the walls are painted a darker color which adds some more contrast. And you can kind of see more of the area that we're in. They're building a number of new construction homes in this area. I'll have it pop up on screen how many they're doing. It's a very impressive development. The one they have next door is already under contract. Here's our second bedroom up here. There's been a tremendous amount of activity and development in this Algiers Point area, and it's very encouraging. So all of those lots are owned by the same seller. Each of these bedrooms up here has 2 closets, and both of them are built out and have lights in them. There you go. And then our last bathroom. Love those hexagonal tiles with the contrast between black and white there. There's the one next door that's already under contract. So this has been 252 Belleville Street in Algiers Point, New Orleans, 70114. It's offered at $539,000 and it's available now. If you should like to schedule a tour, please feel free to reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask below the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.